Hi, welcome to vSAN in 3 minutes. Today we're looking at enabling dedupe and compression in vSAN 6.2. We just wanted to highlight how simple it is to actually do in the user interface and take all the guesswork out of enabling this rather than thinking about whether you should or shouldn't or on what use cases you might use it. So here's my interface here. You can see that my vSAN cluster is on, or vSAN is turned on, but dedupe and compression is enabled. And my disk format is all okay. So firstly, I can simply choose the enable option here, which will do this here. Now, it will perform a rolling reformat of the disks, and if I have data on there, it will move that data around to make sure that there's no outage. But I can also select to reduce the redundancy or allow reduced redundancy during that time if I'm not so sensitive about maintaining multiple copies of data during this process. Of course, I haven't selected this because I've got some virtual machines running. I want to make sure they're fully protected during this process and there's no possible conflict there. So what's happening now under the covers is we're doing a rolling disk format upgrade, disk group at a time. And if I have a lot of virtual machines on this cluster, then there would be some data movement and things like that in the background. I've sped up most of it for the purposes of the video. But basically what's happening is after that's going to be completed, we'll have dedupe and compression enabled fully on our cluster. And in a future video, we'll show you how to manage the dedupe and compression and see what ratios you're getting when we look at capacity management. So now it's fully enabled and we have our virtual SAN cluster all ready and running for dedupe and compression. There is of course another way to do this. This is when virtual SAN is turned off, and this is where the new configuration wizard comes in here. So I can simply select to enable dedupe and compression here, and the reduce redundancy option is grayed out because at the moment it's my same cluster which I've already done this on. So that's the other way in which you would do it potentially if you haven't enabled vSAN at the start. Very, very simple and very easy way to enable great space-saving technologies in vSAN. There's more information at all of our websites listed in the following links. And thanks very much for watching. See you next time.